Okay, the continuation of the use of the Ninja, and she's doing
Vidalia burgers.
Vidalia burgers. So you gotta preheat it every time to what?
Unless you use the temperature probe.
Whatever. Okay, to whatever.
If you use the probe, you set the smart IQ, and then it knows automatically what to do.
Okay, so other than that, you preheat it to whatever you normally cook.
You preheat, yeah.
Okay, and then you stick it in, and she's doing 3 burgers right now.
It's supposed to take 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes for frozen burgers.
And that's for three burgers, or
it could have been 4, but she won't eat.
Okay. This is working out really, really great. Doesn't have to. You don't have to use. This is propane. This is propane over here, and convection, 2 stages. But to do all that, you might as well just stick it in here and run electricity.
This is also convection.
Oh, is that what it's doing?
That's the air fry is convection. The fan you hear running and blowing is convection.
So this is
one stage.
Okay.
That's 2 stages.
2 stages. Okay.
This will only run when you're using that part of it. That runs all the time.
Yep. So this is definitely
That's the difference between $299 and $4 grand.
$4 grand, yeah, exactly. And this would change it. And for somebody living in an apartment, this would be
but nuts.
Completely economical. Right.
But you wouldn't need a stove or an oven.
So your
Ninja
for
coffee bar.
The coffee bar, and then this over here, which is the Instapot. You'd have everything.
And then I have my bread maker, which makes cakes and jams and bread.
But I think even that one there is doing. Can you flip it over? And these were frozen. So again, unless you're using the probes, you go ahead and preheat this thing.
Nice pretty little grill marks. In case you care about that. And if you want it to look different, you can go like this, and it'll sear them into it.
Right.
But I really don't care if I have pretty little grill marks. I just care if my food's done.
That's sweet. All right, there's an example of the cheeseburgers right off of that grill. And then she's just, what's in here now? She's just done the French fries. You don't even have to change temperatures in there, do you?
Yes,
you do. You need to drop it down a little bit? Or up? From the... It's just like it, huh?
Move. Get out of my way, dude.
Nice and crunchy. Oh, and she's... Now she's browning the buns. That's all within a few minutes, so.
Takes 3 minutes to brown your buns. There you go.
Nice. Awesome. And this was all made within a half an hour.
Less than a half an hour.
Less than half an hour.
Including my garlicky dip.
Oh no.
For my fries.
Wait. There we go. So that was an example of using the Ninja Shark Foodi air fryer and griller and dehydrator and you name it.
It's the air fryer and the grill.
Air fryer and grill.
That's all that we used tonight.
Right.
The grill did the burgers.
Right.
The air fryer did the fries and the buns.
Okay.
And that is the extent.